design engineering. I would like to share my interest and passion in design engineering and why I choose design engineering as my career. I'm really very sad that most of our engineers doesn't know about the designing field and choosing other jobs and not having an idea about it. We're losing more opportunities into. So I would like to share that not getting a personal experience that not getting selected in MNCs within a good packages. So I chose design engineering and it gave me a good packages within a good MNC placements. So for every engineers I say that do and develop your skills wisely. So I did my skills development in Profenaa technologies. The courses I chose was SolidWorks, Creo and CAD.
Click the link below and pick your chance and get your passion.